everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video, another haul video from Myntra, of course. This time I came up with the top haul and बहुत सारे tops मैं लेके आई हूँ आपके लिए. This can be used for office wear or your casual outing, or maybe like everyday outfit also you can use it. These are really nice. मुझे कुछ affordable category में ही tops लाने थे, तो these are really affordable too, so you should definitely check that out. And if you're new here, please consider subscribe. I make content related to lifestyle and fashion, so do consider subscribe if you like the content. And as usual, I'm keeping everything very minimal. बहुत ज़्यादा effort आपको नहीं लेने पड़ेंगे these kind of look को create करने के लिए. And obviously I'm going to talk about little bit styling also. That's what my personal style is. वो मैं बात करने वाली हूँ. I don't know about the market, I don't know about what's going on but जो मुझ पे अच्छा लगता है, मुझे लगता है वो मैं शेयर करूँ. तो अगर आप मेरे जैसे हो, थोड़ा रिलेट कर पा रहे हो मुझसे, तो you will also like that. So without further delay, let's get started. So this one is the first top which I'm going to talk about, and this is really good. Look at the like cutouts. This is kind of a alter neck, and this has flares here जो कि काफ़ी अच्छे लग रहे हैं. And then a bow, tying bow is also there, so it is giving a perfect office outfit. And this is a pastel color, so obviously for this season I am looking for some more pastel colors and very sophisticated elegant designs. So I found this one perfect for that, and I am wearing white pant with this, which is looking absolutely gorgeous. You can also wear like a white pant, or maybe black will also go with this. Any kind of pant you can wear with this and go to your office or any kind of workplace if you want to go. Or other than that, you can also wear this with the skirt, so that you can create some casual outfits as well with this top. So it's kind of a both. This is size extra small which I am wearing. Everything which I am wearing is extra small. And then let's talk about little bit of accessories. So I'm wearing very small cute chota sa earring, perfect for this outfit, and one brown belt I'm wearing. So that's it. And my watch and few rings are there in my hand, and that's it. That's all for this look. So for the shoes, I'm here wearing a brown heel, but of course if you are wearing it for office, for 9 to 5 work, so heels will be not that comfortable and not very feasible for you to wear it whole day. So for that I will definitely suggest you to wear some small heels you can wear, or some any other kind of footwear you can wear, like a small 1-inch or 2-inch heel, or maybe you can go with the bellies, or you can go with the moccasin or something. So I have taken most of things brown only, so just to match the shades I am going with this big tote bag. This is also from Myntra, and this is very nice. I'll put the link below so that you can check this also out. So this is what today's look is, and I hope you like this. You can check the details in the description, and products are tagged also, so you can check that out. So this is the another one which I was talking about, and this is in a shade blue, and look at this, how gorgeous it is, and perfect for the office. And this also has this bow kind of tying thing in it, so that it will like gives more into the office vibe or work vibe only. And look at the sleeve. It is also really gorgeous. Look at this puff sleeve is there, and there's a cuffs here, and look at this is very pretty, and it looks really premium. This is also the same brand, and these two are like one of the favorite from this haul. And it's not that it will only go for work wear, you can also wear it in a casual outing as well. Just styling का तरीका थोड़ा different होगा, but this is what, if I have to go to office, or if I have to go to any event or attend any meeting, Zoom call भी करना हो, तो I can wear this like something like this. So this is what I wanted to tell you here. It is very soft, very nice. So मैंने इसको white पैंट के साथ पहना है, क्योंकि white पैंट मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि इसके साथ ज़्यादा अच्छे से जाएगा. And of course, and styling, I told you I'm just wearing one earring, and this छोटू सा bag अभी I'm taking it. If you don't need to carry like a office bag or something, laptop or something, then you can definitely carry छोटा सा handbag. और ये लोग आप ऐसे casually भी पहन सकते हो, not necessary for the office only, but I am just telling you. And this bag is also going perfect with this complete look. As I'm taking this particular chota sa bag, I am wearing black heel with this, and the sunnies, of course, because summer is going on, so sunnies is must. So here what my look is, complete look, very minimal, very simple, yet all put together, very sophisticated look. I am loving it actually. You tell me how you like it. So I'm putting this up because I'm using ring light and the shade is coming on my sunnies. So that's why there's no, it's not my style statement that every video I'm doing the same. So that's it for this one. Very perfect, very elegant, very nice. You can definitely go and check. So this one is the another one, and this is also from the same brand. So this is also very nice. So I'm wearing brown pant too with this. Definitely I'm going to tuck in because with the बिना tuck in के मुझे मतलब मेरे स्टाइल को वो सूट नहीं करता है अगर मैं tuck in ना करूँ तो. So that's why here I'm tucking in, and this brown pant is also really good. It has different kind of detailing, but I got this from Bangkok, and I'll put something similar. And this is in a color lavender, and I don't think anybody will say no to the lavender color. And always, as always, I'm keeping it very minimal. The same earring I'm going with. This also has this tie, and you can just tie it up and it will look perfect. This pant, I don't have any pocket. That's a drawback of this pant. Other than that, this pant is very perfect. So in top, if I'm going with any pastel color or kind of a color, vibrant color, then definitely for the bottom wear I want some basic color. This is what my style is, and this pant is suiting very well with this top. Quality wise, it's very nice. This is a half sleeve like top, and it has different kind of patterns here. Small patterns are here, which is adding some kind of element to this top. I think it's perfect. And for the accessories, I told you my watch, my earring, my constant, and definitely I'm going with the same chota sa handbag. As I'm just showing you, you can definitely take according to your office need what you want to carry, or if you are doing a casual outing, then so this bag is perfect. And for as I'm taking this bag, I'm choosing this heel. This is from the brand Mango, and I don't know the link is there or not. So that's it. I am all set to go, and definitely I'll take the sunnies. And in this whole video, I'm taking the same sunnies. So here is my sun, and this is the another one, another pretty color. This is sea blue color, and it looks really perfect and pretty. Look at this. This is 100% cotton top, and it also has very nice balloon sleevette, which is perfect for your outing or office wear also, work wear also, or anyway casual outing also work with this. These are chicken curry, and this is very much in trend right now. This pattern is very much in trend right now, but I got it in very affordable price. This is from brand called Talkies, I guess, and I'll put link in the description box below so you can check this out. And again, I'm going with the same brown pant with this because it's going really well with the brown pant as well. So मैं ज़्यादा accessories change नहीं कर रही हूँ because I'm just showing you the top, not very much into a styling video. But this is what I will do if I go outside wearing this top, and I'm taking this small handbag only with this. And look at this, it's going very well. You can wear this with the denim as well. The white pant will also go perfect with this top, and I am feeling very nice with it. Like this is a very nice 100% cotton material, perfect for the summer. For the heels also, I'm just going with the white heels because it's going very well with this. But अगर आप ऑफिस जा रहे हो तो obviously पूरे दिन के लिए you will not able to wear the big heels, so you can wear something small or according to your preference. This top is really nice. Size extra small in this or as well, because बहुत लोग size के लिए comment करते हैं कि मैं actually कौन सा size wear कर रही हूँ. तो generally I am wearing extra small, but sometime when extra small is not available or some dresses I want to try little one size bigger so that according to the look, so I go with the small size. So here is the another top, and from here I'm going to share more of a casual top. These are everyday wear top and casual top. So what I'm doing is I'm going to keep my bottom same, like denim I'm wearing, wide leg denim I'm wearing, and I'm wearing a shoes, Samba, Adidas Samba, which is one of my favorite these days. So वो मैं पहन रही हूँ, and I'm just going to change my top, that's it, because I just wanted to show you that one base can give you different looks as well. Okay, one good pair of denim is all you needed. So let's talk about this top. This is from the brand All About You, and they have really affordable tops and other things as well. In previous video also I have shared few things from All About You, and those are also very nice. And this is a ruffle top, like these has some ruffle and puff sleeves is there, and prints are also very summery little bit small flower prints are there, and it's very lightweight. The top is very lightweight, and मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है. The neckline and the sleeve both are giving a very good vibe. And for the earring I am going with the small छोटा सा golden earring and few rings on my hand and one watch, that's it. And for the bag I'm going to take tote bag with this. This is what my first casual like casual everyday wear top looks like. This one is the another casual top which is looking very pretty. It's very lightweight, perfect for the summer. It has like a two color, pink and lime green. And this is also I'm wearing with the same bottom wear. Everything is same, nothing changed. Only I have changed the top, and it's very lightweight and it's a little bit see-through, like little bit, not very much, but little bit, because it's a georgette material. So that's the reason it is little bit see-through. So if you don't like that, then I will not recommend this. Other than that, I'll definitely put the link below so you can definitely check it out. I am forgetting the name of the brand, but I will definitely put it here somewhere down, and you can check that. It is also from affordable category only. So ये basically everyday casual outfit के लिए perfect है, and it's going well with the denim. And if you can wear like blue denim, black denim or white denim, सबके साथ ही ये चला जाएगा. Even the skirt will go perfect with this. I am keeping it everything similar in this casual like top section. The neckline is also very nice, very perfect. The cutout is here little bit of flare is here, so it's perfect for the summer. आपको गर्मी तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगने वाली है if you are wearing this top. So I will recommend this, and you can definitely check this out as well. So here's the another casual top, and this is color red, very pretty color, and it's kind of a cute girl vibe I am feeling after wearing this. Look at this, this is feeling very nice and cute. अभी तो मतलब कॉटन मस्त है, तो समर के टाइम में यू कैन डेफिनेटली गेट दिस टॉप. दिस इज़ वेरी नाइस. दिस इज़ काइंड ऑफ एवरीडे वेयर. आई विल suggest you to wear it as any casual outing or going somewhere, so you can definitely wear, or at home also you can wear it. So this has a 3/4 sleeves. यहाँ तक कि sleeves हैं इसमें. There is some thread here, and this top is kind of टिल हियर लाइक मिनी कुर्तीज जो होती है ना, काइंड ऑफ उसके जैसा ही है, बट दिस इज अ टॉप वर्जन ऑफ दैट. एंड फॉर द डिज़ाइन दे हैव कट हियर to separate your upper body and the lower body, and it gives kind of a shape to your body. So ये मुझे भी बहुत ही अच्छा लगा and बहुत ही perfect है. Earring, I have same earring. For the bag and the glasses, same, everything is same. So everything is same, nothing changed. So this is what my look is right now. This I can wear with the shorts as well. This will look perfect for the shorts, and skirts as well, cotton skirts. If you want to wear with this, it will look really nice. If you wear the maxi cotton skirt with this, that will go really well. So look at this. It's a kind of a cute girl vibe. मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा cute सा feeling हो रहा है. Like I am 35 but I am feeling like I'm 25 here. My son is here who is giggling around. So this is the last top. This is from the brand called All About You, and look at this. This is a very pretty and cute casual outfit top, and this is 100% cotton. Little bit of flower prints are there, and there's some ruffle is there, and it's a very cute small top, and I really loved it for any kind of casual outing. So for me, summer is all about lightweighted cloths, cotton cloths, and linen, cotton, these kind of material I really want to have in my wardrobe. And look at this. This looks perfect. This has a V neckline, front and the back both side, and it has little bit of like rubber here just to separate a little bit of upper body and the tummy part, and it's looking very pretty by the way. And this is going perfect with the denim. This can go perfect with the skirt as well. Any kind of a-line skirts, long skirts, or even midi skirts also goes well with this top. And the fitting is also very nice. This is extra small size. So this one can go perfect for your vacation outfit as well. You can wear some shorts with this or skirt with this, and you're perfect to like a go. So if I will go for vacation, and if I have option to choose this one, so I'll definitely take it, because this is a perfect summer vibe and summer vacation vibe as well. So you let me know which one you liked it. And that's all for today's video. And I hope you like this video, enjoyed this video. If you like this, please consider subscribe and check the description as well for the links and all, and share with your friends and family too, and subscribe to my channel. It will definitely motivate me. It takes few seconds of you, but it really motivates us as a creator. So please consider subscribe if you like the content. If you don't like, then there's no need of subscribing, but you can just pass it on. But if you like the content, if you feel that I am doing something good, or it's useful for you, or you want to like get inspiration from these outfits or something, then definitely try to subscribe it. And sometime in between my videos, I'll definitely come up with some personal vlogs that will I'll do just to connect with you all, guys. So let me know in the comment section which one you like the most and what next you want to see. That's all for today's video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.